So here it is, the Volvo XC60, a smarter SUV. Scandinavian, but driven all over the world, including by me, and therefore I have the honor to show you around. It's a great car with loads of space, now in the new color Silver Dawn. But why smarter, you might ask? Well, for one thing, it has Google built in, meaning you can now ask it to do things for you, like turn up the music, get directions, or even warm up the seats, all while keeping your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. Not to mention a wide range of other safety features. It's a Volvo, after all. It looks great on my driveway, and it will look great on your driveway too, and anywhere else you take it, for that matter. And it really looks good from every angle. You'll notice that the team behind the design really put thoughts into every detail, both on the exterior and on the interior. The XC60 is part of Volvo's Recharge range, intended to lower environmental impact. It features an electric motor and combustion engine, and these both work together to give you the best of both worlds. Once fully charged, either at home or at a charging station, you can drive on pure electric to about 50 kilometers. That's about 30 miles. More than enough for my daily commute. It's also available as a mild hybrid, which doesn't involve plugging in, but instead the battery recharges every time you brake or decelerate. Energy that otherwise would have been lost is fed back into the car's 48-volt battery. Pretty smart, right? You probably recognize the T-shaped headlights made from LED. The face of the XC60 has also been updated with a new grille. As this is an inscription, it comes in chrome. The R design comes in high gloss black. I like both. Also, depending on trim level, the wheels are available from 18 up to 22 inches with 5-spoke or multi-spoke design. And the all-wheel drive helps to keep you stable and gripped to the roads in nearly all types of weather. Perfect for me, living here in the north. Oh, by the way, I'm 175. That's 5'7" for you measuring in feet. Speaking of feet, I can't tell you how much I appreciate this function. Imagine having 2 shopping bags, or kids. Glad those days are over. If I buy something that I like to keep out of my partner's sight, I put it in here. If we need to transport something big, we simply fold the car seats down. And when we need to transport something even bigger, we do this. But what I like most with the XC60 is the interior. I feel good just sitting inside. Oh, by the way, to open the doors, I just need to have the keys in my pocket. Inside the XC60, it's easy to feel home. Everything is made with your comfort in mind. It's handcrafted, it's crystal, it's wood. Sitting in any of the passenger seats, the panoramic sunroof really enhances the cabin's light and airy feeling, especially when the sun comes out. Sorry, as I mentioned, the XC60 has Google built in, which means I can decline calls, then send messages. Hey Google, text Sarah.
Sarah, sure. What's the message?
I'll call you in a bit.
So, that's a message to Sarah saying, I'll call you in a bit. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send.
Sending your message to Sarah.
You can also ask for directions. Hey Google, give me directions home.
Your home is 20 minutes from your location by car in light traffic. Head west.
Even my Google Assistant-enabled devices at home can be controlled from here. Sometimes when I'm back late home, I asked Google to put the house lights on. The center display is updated and it's simple to use. For example, the button for the 360-degree camera is on the home screen. Sensors around the car will alert you to obstacles nearby. And if you are anything like my partner and you struggle with parallel parking, this is an absolute game changer for your relationship. Directions can also be seen on the head-up display in front of you. That display will give you information on how fast you're going, the current speed limit, if you're driving past a school, all while you keep your eyes on the road. But if you start to veer, the XC60 is designed to steer you inside road markings. It can also detect other cars, cyclists, pedestrians, and, if needed, apply the brake. And if you're at a standstill and you don't realize that the car ahead has moved, the XC60 will alert you. Much nicer than being alerted by the car behind. Another good safety feature is this little light on the side view mirrors. It illuminates if a car approaches quickly from behind or enters your blind spot. Volvo tries to find ways to help on the road. That's why they have a cloud-based feature that shares important information. So if you, for example, drive on a slippery surface, other connected Volvos will be warned when heading the same way. And one more feature for your well-being is the climate system, which helps to filter harmful particles before they enter the cabin. Oh, by the way, my phone is charging just lying here, so no more cables. And on the subject of my phone, I can also use it remotely with the app to preheat the cabin, check on my car's charging, lock or unlock doors. And if something unexpected comes up, there's also the on-call button up here. One press gives you instant access to roadside or emergency support.
Welcome to Volvo on Call. You're speaking to Samuel.
Hi. Sorry, I'm doing an information film on the XC60 and just talked about the Volvo on-call function, and I couldn't keep myself from pushing the button.
All right. I'm excited about the XC60 and all the updates. I've been driving it since 2009.
Yeah, so have I. All right, I'll let you get back to it. Take care.
Take care.
But what I love most about this car is the sound system. Hey Google, play some music.
Got it. Asking Spotify to play some music.
It's designed by Bowers & Wilkins and features 15 speakers, including the iconic dashboard tweeter and air-ventilated subwoofer. As you notice, the sound is out of this world. Hey Google, turn down the volume. I'm telling you, playing this tune on my way home, knowing that I'm driving on pure electric and arriving at an already lit house. Pretty good. That's about it. The Volvo XC60.